Hi, Dan with Fiskars with a tool tech tip. I'm going to tell you about the Fiskars Tag Maker. Now, this is a clever little punch that does multiple steps to allow you to make custom cardstock tags for gifting out of the scrap that you might have around. The way this works is you're going to start with a piece of cardstock that's got about a 3-inch by 4-inch area unused. This, like a typical punch, has you sliding that cardstock in to the back of the throat, and you can even see by flipping it over where it's going to punch. Now, by pressing down, you're going to get that rough shape of the tag right out right away. Now, the next step includes using the front of this punch. It's got an extra slot. Built into this slot, as you slide in the cut part of the punch in and punch again, you get a perfect hole. That hole right in there is to support a string. Now, string might tear out. So the best thing about this is the Tag Maker comes with a set of eyelets. These eyelets will help reinforce that hole. By placing the rough side down into there and placing the rear of the Tag Maker into the eyelet setter, this tool allows you to make that reinforced thing into the tag effortlessly. So if you're ever looking for a custom gift tag to really personalize, give it that personal touch, this would be the tool that'll let you do that.